Hello, this is Tom Rummage coming from micro measurements under COVID-19 conditions, wearing a mask to protect the people around me. Today I'd like to talk to you about a couple of accessory items that we offer that will be available on our shopping site relatively soon. I'm going to start with the first one. It's our GSP1 gauze sponges. These are not sterilized, but they're used for general purpose surface preparation for removing contaminated materials. A sister product to that would be our CSP1. That's the cotton swabs or cotton tip applicators. These are used for scrubbing with the conditioner and the neutralizer to root out those materials that might be embedded in the surface of your part. The Degreaser, CSM3. This is a degreaser that is fairly aggressive. Got to be a little careful on plastics and that sort of thing. You might use our GC6 material instead. It's wonderful for degreasing parts. It's fairly aggressive. You need to get rid of the oils and greases before you start surface preparation because you don't want to grind those into the surface. The next would be the Conditioner A. This is a mild phosphoric acid solution. It's used to remove surface corrosion and or contamination. It helps to loosen and or remove organic materials also. It has a pH of nominally around 2.5. but its concentration is such that it wouldn't hurt you if you drank it, but I wouldn't recommend it. The next material is the Neutralizer 5A. This is an ammonia solution with a little detergent in it. It is for the final surface preparation, to getting the surface chemically clean and set to a pH that is compatible with our adhesive systems. If you know much about our adhesive systems, they do not like acidic conditions, so the last step in your surface preparation is don't forget your Neutralizer 5A. Once you've got your gauge installed, you might want to use the Cote. The Cote is a polyurethane material. It's an environmental protection that cures at room temperature, has xylene as its solvent, it's an excellent environmental protection for a primary coating and or indoor applications. Not terribly robust when you go outside. And in terms of gauge handling, you need the PCT 3M tape, and it's in its new dispenser. This is the new format of the tape that you used to know as PCT 2M. It's got a Mylar film and a silicon mastic, which is compatible with all of our adhesive systems.